Alright, well, it's 2018 youth season in Wisconsin. We don't have the best of weather here, but we're out here on the first day, April 14th. Prestin's first turkey hunt ever. So we're gonna see if we can make something happen today. We're sitting by a standing cornfield and it's about 27 degrees out and snowing. So a typical mid-April in Wisconsin, but we're gonna sit here for a bit and hope these turkeys come out and feed in this field. I don't think they're gonna be calling much. There were some fresh tracks past our blind here, so we'll see what happens. But here's the youth hunter. You got anything to say?
Well, it feels so good to finally get out.
Too bad it's snowy, huh?
Yeah.
Let's take a look and see what it looks like out there. Jakes and a hen right out in front of us here. A few more jakes and a big long beard across the field, so we'll just wait and see what comes in first. Hopefully something will get here. Preston's getting excited. one squeeze. Okay, just put it on him. He does have that circle and squeeze. Gotta go. Squeeze. Squeeze it. Just get it close to him and squeeze. Squeeze it. Good job, you got him. Good job.
You got him.
Good shooting, Prestin. What do you think, bud? You got a long beard. Look at the beard on him.
Yeah, he got a nice beard. Big one. Good job.
First turkey. First time. Look this up. What do you think? Talk to the camera. What do you think?
Yeah!
What are you gonna say?
Well, this is amazing. I love it. First hunt, first turkey.
And he's a big one. That's a big turkey, Prestin.
That is a nice turkey.
Good thing we had the funky chicken out there, huh? They stopped to visit him, didn't they? Ooh, he's big. Well, first hunt of the youth season 2018. Prestin shot his first turkey. We've only been in here a couple hours and stuck it out. We had like 30 some birds came across the field. And there was a bunch of longbeards in there, and they kind of cut into the woods right next to us, only like 50 yards away. And then these two toms came from a different direction. They were heading over to where those other ones went, and I hit the call a few times, and they changed directions and came right to us. And we got a hen and a funky chicken sitting out there, and they came over and had to check out that funky chicken. So, but now we got a dead turkey out there. We got to go out and grab them in the snow here and see what we can do. Big bird down. You want to get your bird? Alright. Get out there. Woo. Look at that beard. Holy cow. First bird, what do you think?
Good.
In the snow and blowing. Cold. He's a dandy. Yeah, 20 some degrees and blizzard. We got him though.